Hey guys, welcome to this vlog. It is going to be a realistic what I eat in a day and also a little cook with me. I hope that you enjoy this vlog, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I never really say that because I think, people will do it if they want to, but I would love it if you would. I put out videos every Monday on, I try to, girl, because I'm fixing my house, so but anyway, I hope that y'all enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. So right now I'm at work and you'll hear everyone in the background, but I'm feeling this deep feeling in my abdomen, like deep in my belly, a feeling of anxiety, and I don't know why. I don't know why it's there, and it's making me super uncomfortable, but I just thought I'd talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lori. If you're new to my vlog, hey y'all. I'm a Texan that currently lives in the UK, specifically in England. Yo hablo español, en veces hago videos en español porque pues, es mi cultura, yo soy mexicana. Pero estamos en mi cocina, vamos a cocinar una receta de HelloFresh. We're gonna make a HelloFresh recipe. So HelloFresh is obviously not sponsoring this, but if you see this, hey, it's me. I buy stuff from you. Let's get to cooking. I really just enjoy cooking. It is my domain. It's what I enjoy. So right now, this meal says it takes 35 to 40 minutes. That's probably gonna take me longer because I have more chicken because like I said, my husband can eat for England. So yeah. You know what I will need? Good morning, everyone. So we are going grocery shopping. We are going to Lidl. This is post yoga. I don't feel shaky, which is good because I had a peanut bar and some squish or some squash. So I feel good. So I'm gonna try to film inside the store because obviously people in the United States, I don't know if we have Lidl. I've never seen it. Maybe I'll have it up north. I know that we only have Aldi down south as far as I'm aware. Don't quote me though, because I could be so wrong. But I'm going to try to film in there so y'all can take a look and see what it's like inside an English grocery store. Any hookers in front of the trolley? No, there's none. Rough one. Yep. Yeah. Because we need 1580 by 900. Careful.
1580, what should you say? Plenty left.
Woohoo! Careful. Just to make sure it's...
Just double check. Oh no, it's 900.
But you know, I know what you mean though. You just always want to double check just in case.
Okay. Might need your help just to get it on the...
We always knew that was.
Huh?
We always knew that one.
Buenos dias, everybody. We are having breakfast this morning on our island, and I couldn't be even more excited. Really, I'm literally sitting on my, well, not sitting on the island, but we have a chair out because my husband wanted to test it and see what it was like. And I'm really excited because now that means I don't have to eat in the sala. I can eat in the kitchen. So I'm having some shrimp and calabaza tacos with an iced coffee because I have yoga in an hour. So I'm really excited. I really like going to yoga, and this is going to be my 4th class. I'm just so excited, honestly. I'm thankful for this period in my life. I think we should be thankful for all the periods in our life, but this one in particular, where, you know, I get to be with my husband in our house and really see the transformation of everything and go to yoga. Anyway, I'll see y'all. Bye, guys.